Now, if we want to install the pixel using something other than WordPress, say we're using a landing page or Clickfunnels or some other thing like that, you can go back to find your code by going to your pixel up here, go click Setup. You can just click Install Pixel, manually install pixel code yourself. Again, just click there, it'll automatically copy to your clipboard. And then, like if you're using Clickfunnels, you would come in here to your funnel, click the funnel that you want to work with, and in the settings area, click that button, and then you would want to install it in the head area. So then you would just paste that in there and click Save. Here's another example of a landing page builder that we use a lot, and I'll just give you another. It's really easy to install the Facebook pixel with this particular landing page builder. We go into Settings, go into Custom Code, and in the header we would just paste that code in there, hit Done, and then Publish.